Going on, is your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be looking at the app Good Lock. It works with the Samsung Note 10 Plus, which I have right here, aka Nipsey Blue. It also works for the Note 10, and I'm not sure, but I will look into it. If I'm not mistaken, it will work for all the S10 lineup. Alright, so the Good Lock app, for some reason I want to say Good Luck, but it's Good Lock. You could get that at the Samsung store. Alright, so you got to get this app at, I made a mistake, I thought it was Samsung store. It's Galaxy Store. You hit it, and this is the only way that you could get this app. So we're gonna hit the search. We're gonna type in Good Lock. There you go, see. This is the only way you could get this, is at the Samsung Galaxy Store, and I'm gonna leave a link for the mirror down below if y'all want to try it out. I'm not sure if it works, but let's jump into the app. All right, with this app, you can really customize your phone to the full potential. Let's start off with the Lockstar. So you basically could move around, put everything that you want, the way you unlock it, the apps that you wanted to come. Let me see if I could. Yep, it says apply, but you basically could rearrange the wallpaper, the apps that come out, the clock that it has in the locking page. Next up, quick start. Basically is the notification bar. How the notification bar will look. It has different themes. You could test it out. It has a clear one, purple, all the good stuff. Make icons visible, the clock how you want it. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I can't really complain about it. All right, you could rearrange the tasks, the programs that you have. I'm gonna show you how I have mines. I have mines like this. I feel is way better. You could switch it up. Let's see how the list look. This is how the list looks. I don't know if y'all can see it properly. You can have it any way you want, but I usually got mine on grid. Lock face. You have to. I haven't installed this one, but you could just change the way the clock looks. The multi-star basically separate. You know what? I'm gonna install this one. I don't have that on my phone, but you could basically multitask, have two different screens, which is pretty cool. Now we got Nova Star. Basically, it creates you a list. Let me push this a little bit up. Hopefully y'all can see it. It gives you different ways that you can line up everything. And I found this very good because you know how hard it is to screenshot one? You could add a button that you could just screenshot right here. That has the little diamond star. This is the lineup that I have right there. The star, just hit it up. I don't gotta hit both of them at the same time, mistakenly turn it off. It's just there, snap. It was just screenshot whatever you have. This one I put it so it could bring the notification down. Sometimes it's just much easier. This button gives you the three lines, give you the multi, all the programs that you have. This button gets you back to the screen, and this one goes back. All right, night shot. It says it provides you a variation of screenshot options. It just tells you where to save it and exclude system UI. So it basically says remove indicators and navigation bar, which I am gonna save. And then this one is basically gonna show you basically how clear and like the way you want it, the notifications to come up. Instead of like this, it will come up like this. So the Good Luck app, it's pretty, I mean, I've done a lot of customization with it. I like it. I really can't complain nothing about it. I get to move the clock, and I also have the Nova launcher, which helps a lot also. I hope this video could like make your phone a little bit more customized. The Good Lock is definitely a dope app to have if you have a Note 10, Note 10 Plus, and the S10 lineup. It's pretty good to customize. I mean, the best thing that I found out of all of it is how you could just get the screenshot, get an easier way to screenshot. It's really dope. The clock and everything, pretty nice. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.